Why do tigers have stripes? Why are bullfrogs green on the back but white on the belly? Why do giraffes have such a long neck? Why do geese fly south for the winters? Why do water lilies float? And why do some plants bear fruit? All of these questions deal with adaptations. Have you ever thought about what adaptations are? Dear students, an organism adapts in a particular habitat by changes in their body shape, organ, color, size, behavior, and even location. For example, the lotus plant is well suited for an aquatic habitat, but if you put it in desert, it will not be able to grow because it is not adapted for that. All living things change to fit into their environment, and that change is defined as adaptations. So, favorable features that are present in all the organisms, whether plant or animal, which help them survive in a particular type of habitat, are known as adaptation. Or we can also say that adaptations, they are inherited characteristics that helps an organism to survive long enough to reproduce more successfully in the changed environment. Or this adaptation, it can be structural or behavioral. In simple words, it is defined as the process of adjustment of an organism with its environment. And this adjustment can be done by changes either structurally or in their behavior. So, these adaptations, how the animals adapt by gain or loss of body organs. Sometimes the animals, they make structural changes in their body. So either they gain some body part or they lose some body part. So in order to adapt to the changed environment, this thing is done by few animals. Actual body parts or coloration that help an organism survive in the environment. So sometime if you look at the tiger, it has strips because it lives in a grassland, and the color of grass, it matches with the color of a tiger. So we are not able to identify where the tiger is. By changing the color, you must have seen a chameleon changing its color. Why it does so? To protect itself, to find its prey, to protect itself from predators so that it can't be identified by the predators or the prey. It changes its color. It is an adaptation. Some animals, they make changes in their body, or naturally some changes are made in their body, some modifications of organs are there in their body which help them to live a comfortable life, as they say, survival of the fittest. So in the changed environment, an animal has to be fit. When we look at the trees, we see such insects. Just like this, we can see leaf type insect. On the leaves of trees, some insects are found which we are not able to identify. We are not able to distinguish whether it is an animal or the plant leaf. Some desert animals, as per the environment, what kind of adaptations are present in the animals that we are going to study? Desert. In desert animals, various adaptation that they conserve water, they have thick skin, they have dull color to blend in the surrounding. And we, when the color of an animal blend with the surrounding, it is known as camouflage. You see the snakes, you see the chameleons, you see the tiger, polar bear, you will not be able to identify where the animal is because it just look like the background or the environment. So blending color of an animal, that is known as the phenomena of camouflage. In aquatic plants, the roots are poorly developed and they have waterproof waxy coat on the leaves. They have air cavities in the tissues. All these things help them to float in the water without any loss. This xylem and phloem, the conducting tissues, they are less developed in the aquatic plants. When we talk about the behavioral adaptations, hibernation means the animal, it becomes inactive for a period of time. In cold weather, most animals must eat large quantities of food so that during the summers they can go for this long sleep, which we call as the hibernation, and they are not disturbed in the summer season by anyone. Some animal, when they are not able to adapt to some seasonal change, some climate change, then they migrate to different places just to save themselves, just to lead comfortable life, and when the things are comfortable, then they return to their original place.